USB-C to USB-C charging cable for iPhone 15, Samsung, Xiaomi and more. Fast charger, male-to-male, round matte finish, copper-clad aluminum wire, 60W output power. Shape: round. Surface finishing type: matte. Connector polarity: male-to-male. Material: nylon. Input connector type: Type-C. Output connector type: Type-C. Input power: 60W. Output power: 60W. Data transmission: yes. Power mode: USB. Wire core material: copper-clad aluminum with 5 to 10% copper. Form: circular finish process. Non-glossy connector type: male-to-male composition. Nylon input connector style. Type-C output connector style. Type-C input wattage. 50-80W output wattage. 50-80W peak data transfer, yes. Power function: USB. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.